Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's Prince for Real, and today we are doing a video on a very unique topic. Unique because I never thought I would be doing a video on it, but then I recently witnessed something, I experienced something which uh, is compelling me to actually upload a video on this. So the thing is, uh, the topic for today's video is how do you enable comment in your video, right? Like you click on a video and then you see the comment section, but a number of times you can find the comment section disabled by the user or by any means, I don't know. But sometimes you find there are some videos over internet which have the comment section disabled, so it can be intentional, like the channel owner intentionally disabled that, but a number of times it's by mistake, or maybe you are new to YouTube and you don't know how to just prepare the things. So in that hassle also it can happen. So yes, now I'm going to show you how do you enable the comment section on your video. So like suppose you uploaded the first video on your channel and you shared the link and everything. Now there are two ways to just upload a video on YouTube. First is through mobile, and the second way is obviously through the desktop. The problem with mobile is that by default the settings will be done in a way that you will see the visibility as unlisted, right? And a number of things, there are a number of settings that are by default different, right? So unlisted basically means that those people which have the link to your video, only they will be able to just watch your video, so you won't be available on YouTube search or any other feature. So that could be a problem for you. So the first thing that you should do or check is just check the visibility whether it is public. If it's not, if it's unlisted or private, then do it public. And obviously if you don't want to share the video, or you want to share the video to a specific group, then you can obviously change it back to unlisted. But if you want to be available over the whole platform, then ensure that it is public, right? And then hit publish. So this is the first thing. Now coming back again, now this is, suppose this is your video, you did the visibility settings, and now you want to do the comment section, right? So just click on that detail button and scroll down, and you will see this audience section here in the video details. And this says that there are basically two options, that whether you want to make the video available for kids, like is it for kids or is it not for kids. Now kids basically means that you are specifically targeting that part of the audience which don't know how to comment, or which won't be able to comment anything that actually makes sense, right? Like you give a kid your mobile and he will just click any random button and that won't make sense. So that's why the setting is here. So if you are making a video for kids, like a cartoon video or maybe anything, then you can just enable this, and this will automatically disable the comment section on your video, right? And another thing that it will affect is you won't be able to play it after you just minimize the video, right? Like sometimes what happens, you play this video, let me just show you. Sometimes, okay, it's okay. Reset my password. Yes. That was weird. It didn't go as planned. No problem. We'll do it with some other video. Let's say, let's take this video. Storer. Well,
I think we should explore a few solutions.
oh man, my ears just. Oh.
Grammarly suggestions catch when your tone might undermine.
So I was talking about this channel Storer, which is famous brand. Yep. So, okay, well, it's not coming right now, but what happens is when you just go back on the video, then there is a playback option available, like picture-in-picture mode available right here, right? And the video keeps on playing. So if you are not just enabling this not made for kids, and if you have this option tagged like made for kids, then that playback will also stop, right? So this is the second effect that this option is gonna cost you. First, the comment section will be disabled. Second, the playback will be disabled. So just ensure that you do this, and this is like almost by far sufficient to just enable the comment section. But another setting that comes here is age restrictions. Now this is another very delicate like setting, we can say, because like there are a number of videos on YouTube which are like made for adult audience, right? Like which show certain things that should not be like available for kids below 18. So this setting basically ensures that, and if your content is not adult audience specific content, then you can just click on no, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. So what it will do, it will show the video to everyone, like to kids as well and to adults as well, right? Even though the kids won't be able to comment something sensible, but yes, they will be able to comment because you have the comment section enabled, just because of this option. So if your videos are not adult specific and you want the comment section enabled, so just do no, it's not made for kids here, and then just click on no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18 only, right? And then the thing that you need to ensure is you need to just click on this button here, which I am not getting blue because my settings are already the way I want them. Like you will see this as the blue button, like the previous setting I just showed. Yes, so you click on the save button, your video will be saved, your settings will be saved, and then you just come on the channel content and refresh the page once. So what this will do is this will enable the comment section, right? And your video will be available on the platform or like all around the globe, right? So yes, this is the benefit of this setting, and that's how you do it. So yes, now how I just why did I make this video? Because I have a friend of mine who just uploaded a video on his channel, which was his first video. So he didn't quite care about the settings. It was just he was too pumped up and he was like, yes man, it's my first video, I'm gonna hit it like too hard. So he just didn't care about the visibility setting and the comment section. So basically I told him like how to do it. I told him on WhatsApp, but then I thought that maybe it might be beneficial for both of us, right? For you as well, those who are watching it or maybe uploading their first video or they are going to upload their first video. And for me as well, like I will be having another video on the channel. How many do I have? 105. So this will be the 106th video over the channel. And yes, and another question that my friend asked me was like, can we just see which user disliked the video? So the obvious answer is no, you can't see that. You can see the numbers like how many likes and dislikes were there. However, you won't be able to see them on the YouTube video itself because YouTube has just removed the dislike count on the videos. But you can obviously just hover here and you can see the dislike that this video is having one dislike, okay, and 5 likes. So this is how it goes, and you cannot see which user disliked or liked your video, right? And for subscribers, yes, you can see the subscribers, but only if they have their subscription as private public. right? So if they are not having their subscriptions public, you won't be able to see who subscribed to your channel, right? Like, let me show you. I have a few public subscriptions on my channel. So yes, see, I can see the names of the people who subscribed me because they have their channels, like public subscriptions they are having on the channels, right? So yes, this is how it goes. And why haven't we subscribed to this person here? Well, the internet speed is very slow, man. It's very slow. Okay, because this was not having any content, I guess. Yup, this is absolutely not having anything. Lol. Okay, so this is how it goes, right? You can do that, and always support those who support you. So just click on that subscribe button, bro. Like, if you don't want to see the videos, you can just click on that setting, don't recommend videos from this channel, or you can change the settings. But if you want to support the channel for real, then please do hit that subscribe button and that like button as well, because the YouTube algorithm, it understands just two things: first the like, and second the subscribe. Only then it hits the video. Like, you can see on this, on my own channel, like, you have 30 views, and how many days? 4 days, let's say, because 31st is today. So let's see, it was 4 days, and then it is 5 days. So you see the difference, right? And that's just because of this and the subscriptions, right? So that's a clear example. Now you see this 226 views, and it was like 16 days, 15 days, let's say. So yes, this definitely makes a big difference. Apart from the tags and everything that you put in your videos, right? And you can see this as well, right? So yes. Okay, so that's it for the video, I guess. Yes, yep, that's it. Now another thing that I want to tell you is, I might be buying a new headphone and mic for specifically for YouTube, because it's actually hard to keep your hand that way and talk to your viewers, right? And this microphone is having some issues, right? It was having some issues last week. So yes, I'll be upgrading it. And the fun fact about the upgradation is that the money will be spent from my scholarship. So basically, I got 11,000 rupees as my scholarship for being the university topper at GGS IPU. So now that amount will be spent on getting a new headphone, right? Headphone mic. So yes, that's pretty cool. Okay, that's it for the video. And if you actually just if it really helped you, uh, and you were able to figure out how the settings work, then please do give a thumbs up and comment, like, what else do you want me to make, and like, how do you start, and whatever thing that you want me to make, make a video on that. And I'll give you a shout out as well, that this person suggested the idea for this video. So yes, just please support it. And if you are finding the channel for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, because the channel, as you can see, it features a number of things. It can have It's having, actually, not can have, it's having things like games, right? And movies you can find, then reaction videos, technical videos, web series, games, gaming videos, like a number of things. uh, Vlogs, let's leave the vlogs. So yes, and apart from these, I upload videos of the games that I make. So yes, you can find pretty much everything on the video, on the channel. Sorry. Okay, nice fumble. So yes, that's it for the video. And if you are seeing a new thing over the video, like you can see these lines, right? These here and this one. So this overlay setting, I can also show you that if you comment, or even if you don't, I'll just do it in the next video, right? Okay, so that's it for the video. Take care, and good night, good evening, and whatever it is at your end. So that's it. Bye bye, everyone. See you in the next video.